The Blue-Gray Tanager, scientific name Thraupis episcopus, South American songbird of the tanager family, commonly found from Mexico south to northeast Bolivia and northern Brazil, all of the Amazon basin except the very south. On Trinidad and Tobago, this bird is called blue jean. They are a common, restless, noisy and confiding species, usually found in pairs but sometimes small groups. 16 to 18 centimetres long and weighs 30 to 40 grams. Adults have a light bluish head and underparts with darker blue upperparts and a shoulder patch coloured a different shade of blue. The bill is short and quite thick. Blue-grey tanagers are primarily fruit eaters. Unlike some birds that swallow berries whole, use his beak to mash and squeeze the papaya flesh, drinking the juice and swallowing small, distinct pieces. By doing this, he played a crucial role in the ecosystem. Later that day, he would drop the seeds miles away, planting new trees. The breeding habitat is open woodland, cultivated areas and gardens. 1 to 3, usually 2, dark-marked whitish to grey-green eggs are laid in a deep cup nest in a high tree fork or building crevice. Incubation by the female is 14 days, with another 17 to fledging.